Hi friends, I'm Nagesha. Welcome to my channel ITBut143. You are watching Microsoft Office Word 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to format the cliparts in Microsoft Word documents. In my previous tutorial, we have seen how to insert the cliparts in a Word document. Whenever we insert or select a picture, automatically we will get the format menu in Picture Tools. With this, we can adjust various properties. If you want to increase or decrease the brightness of the clipart, click the arrow next to brightness. Here we will get various values. Over the cursor on different value and we will get the preview. And if you want to use brightness values other than the value showing here, click on picture corrections options. Then it will open format picture window. Come to brightness and drag the slider between -100% and +100%. Similarly, come to contrast. Over the cursor on different contrasts and we will get the preview. Click on picture corrections options. Come to contrast. Drag the slider between -100% and +100%. And if you want to recolor the clipart to give it a stylized effect such as grayscale or sepia tone, click the arrow next to recolor. Over the cursor on different color modes and check the preview. Also come to more variations. We can select the theme colors and standard colors. And if you want to compress the clipart in the document to reduce its size, select the clipart and click on compress pictures. In compress picture window, select options and set suitable compression options. Click on OK. And after working for a while, if you want to replace the clipart with a picture, select the clipart and click on change picture in adjust group. Then it will open insert picture window. Select a picture, click on insert. Then it will replace the clipart with our new picture, preserving the formatting and sizing of the current clipart. And if you want to discard all the formattings we made to this picture, click on reset picture option. Then we will get the actual picture. After this, come to picture styles. To choose an overall visual style for the picture, click on more. When we hover the cursor on different styles showing here, we will get the picture with new visual style. Not only this, we can also change the shape of the picture, preserving all the formattings. Further, click the arrow next to picture shape. We can select various shapes from rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, flowcharts, stars and banners, and callouts. And to specify the color, width, and line style for the outline of the selected shape, click the arrow next to picture border. Select a line color from the theme colors and standard colors. Again come to picture border, navigate to line weight, over the cursor on different line weights, and we will get the preview. Sometimes we need to apply a visual effect to the picture, such as a shadow, glow, reflection, or 3D rotation. Further, click the arrow next to picture effects. Over the cursor on various effects from different categories and check the preview. After this, come to arrange group. We can position the selected object on the page. Text is automatically set to wrap around the object. Further, click the arrow next to position and we can select inline with text or with text wrapping. And if there are multiple objects in our documents, to bring the selected object in front of other objects step by step, click on bring to front and bring the object to front of all the objects. Select to bring forward option. Similarly, to send the objects behind all other objects, click on send to back and send backward option. And to align the edges of selected objects, click the arrow next to align. We can select to align left, align center, align right, align top, align middle, align bottom, and so on. And if you want to rotate or flip the selected object, click the arrow next to rotate. We can select to rotate right 90 degrees, rotate left 90 degrees, flip vertical and flip horizontal. And sometimes we need to remove the unwanted parts from a clip art. For the click on crop, then we will get the black handles around the clip art. Click and drag by pressing left mouse button to remove the unwanted parts. And if you want to crop the clip art from both sides simultaneously, bring the cursor to the corner, again click and drag. And to come out from the crop, simply click on blank area. We can also resize the clip art by adjusting height and width. Like this, we can format the clip arts in Microsoft Office Word 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video to your friends, and please visit my channel ITbird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.